I think this will start a new era in Philippine basketball. The athleticism of this batch, I think is incredible. Not just talking about Chapel, but the rest of the other 20 guys. Alam mo, usually in other drafts, they take about 13 or 12 players. Then after that, the other team just pass the draft. But I think we could have had a booster round 6 with this batch around. I think it will be a big boost for the whole team, considering this might be my last chance to win an All-Filipino conference. But not your last conference. Not my last conference. Because there was a report before that during your parang press con, so yung political announcement, parang you were quoted as saying parang, of course, part of my responsibility, if ever I get lucky or I get blessed with my political plans, I will just have to take a leave from that.
Well, definitely, he's been in our radar for the past 3 weeks, and it's just simple. If Chapet Aguilar did not join the draft, he would have been the #1 draft pick in this year. So he's definitely staying. But as far as I'm concerned right now, there will still be a lot of wheeling and dealing which will happen in the next few days, primarily to balance my roster. We're pretty heavy in some spots, and we're shallow in the other spots. So again, we've got options right now to make it a little more balanced and be more competitive in the coming conference. Of course, the one thing, although it is hard to tell, but in the last conference, I thought I had enough talent. I probably one of the more talented teams, and I admit that. But unfortunately, it just didn't work because of chemistry. So with Mark Fingris coming back, and I've been looking at Rico Mero-Hopper, he looks like he's happy with playing the role, and he will embrace it wholeheartedly on the role that I will give him. And hopefully the chemistry will be just right for us to compete. No, we were dead set in getting him as early as a month ago. When we knew that we were going to pick up number 2, there were no more debates. We were really going to pick him up.
So what you did? You think you'll start at once, or?
You just don't see a lot of athletic players who can just jump out of the gym, very athletic, very skillful, can dribble the ball, can jump up and down, can dribble the length of the court. He reminds me of a taller Mark Fingris. So just imagine the kind of team that will be forming with 2 guys playing really, really good off the ball to complement the games of Kirby and James and PJ. So with that in mind, I'm just hoping that again, we'll have a better roster in the coming conference.